Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to take apart an iPhone with just a nail. So, it's just, it's a small nail, and it'll have a carved tip. So what you want to do is, right here on the iPhone with two little screws, you just want to put your nail in, and then just twist a lot. And you'll see that it's coming, the screw. So just, okay, so I got one screw up. One more. Hold on. A little tricky. So you guys can just skip along in the video. I'm gonna take a little bit really close. And if you get it started a little bit, you can just unscrew it with your nails or something. Alright, I got it. So those are the two nails right there. They're not nails, the screws. Okay. So now, what you want to do with your iPhone is on the back, you just want to kind of slide it up from here, and just kind of pry it off. And then, that's your case. It's actually kind of heavy, and then you can, look at other YouTube videos, like install a battery, do all kinds of stuff. Yeah, so to just put it back on, you just put the case on the back, just slide it until it's like that again, and then you just put the screws back in and you screw it back. Thanks for watching.